Hello everyone, my name is Basavaraju. So in this video, I will explain what is custom data in Salesforce and how we can properly track custom data. Let's understand what is custom data. In Salesforce, custom data means any information that is not part of the standard fields provided by the Salesforce. For example, account name, contact, email, opportunity, amount, these all are provided by the Salesforce. This we don't call it as custom data. Then, what are the custom data? For example, employee ID, project status, project number, internal reference code. This all we call it as custom data. This is created by user or created by the developer for the requirement of the project. When we create custom fields, custom objects, custom relationship, the data stored inside of them. Okay. So in custom fields, we store some data, right? That is we call it as custom data. So then why do we need to track custom data? Now the important question is why we need track it? Because in real business, status changed frequently. For example, I have a receipt. In receipt, we have some fields. Account value get modified, owner change, deadline update. Manager want to know who changed it, when it changed it. So using custom data tracking, we can easy to find who changed it, when was the value is changed, what is the previous value. These all things we are know only when we use the custom data tracking. So then how we can track the custom data? So first we need to select one object. So I will select as receipt is my object. Okay, then click on setup, go to edit object. You need to click on field and relationship. So in here, you have a one button like set history tracking. So click on that. So in here, you need to select which field you need to be tracked. For example, I will click on all. Click on save. So then I enable the some fields to track the history. So Salesforce automatically stores old value, new value, modified by date and time. All the things Salesforce automatically store in where inside of the record. You will see in history. So let's verify that. Go to receipt object. Try to refresh once. So make once hard refresh. Once you are refreshed, open any one of the record. So change the receipt date. For example, I will put like 6 and mode of payment is cash. Then click on save. So once you click on save, just go to related list. So in here we don't have anything. Why? Because of our field history tracking is saved, but we don't add receipt history to in related list. That's why it's not showing. So how to add? Just go to receipt object. In page layout, go to receipt layout. Then go to related list. In here, you need to search receipt history. So there is a receipt history. Just drag and drop. Then click on save. Once you click on save, again go to your main object. Just refresh once. Go to related list. In here, you can see value is UPI. Now I change it to cash. So receipt date is 1/7/2026 in previously, but now it's 1/6/2026. Who changed that value is showing the username. So today we have learned what is custom data, why we track it, how we can enable that particular receipt or custom object history. I hope you understand this thing. Thank you for watching.